Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Raphael, and in this video we're diving into a Q&A section on the 5 most asked product owner certification questions, and at the end of this video you would understand some basic concepts of the product owner's role. The first question here says, what should the product owner focus on during sprint planning? The sprint planning is the first event that takes place in the Scrum environment where the team meets to plan on the current sprints. They talk about what they want to achieve in the sprint, how they intend to achieve it. The Scrum Master collaborates with the product owner to talk about what are the values to be delivered, and then also with the development team to talk about how they will deliver these values. The team members in Scrum come together and plan for the sprint. That is what happens in the sprint planning meeting. What should the product owner focus on during such meeting? Estimating story points for backlog items and no. So estimating story points for backlog items is being done by the development team with the Scrum Master, where they are estimating the points on each user story and they translate it into tasks of what should be worked on. Then the second says assigning tasks to team members. No. In Scrum, we have self-organizing team players. They are self-organizing. They know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Nobody invariably tells them what to do. The team members take or assign these tasks to themselves. After the sprint planning meeting, everybody knows what to be achieved. Now they break the user stories into tasks and everybody takes what he or she would do, which is based on their area of expertise. So nobody assigns this to them. They do it in collaboration with the Scrum Master. Setting up team tools and processes. I also think this is wrong because the product owner is not the one involved in setting up team tools and processes. This is being done by the development team, and it could be done by anybody. For instance, one of the team members could set up the API for the payment gateway. It could also be the same person that would integrate the payment gateway with the third party's API, or maybe a different person. So setting up teams, tools and processes can be done by any member of the development team, but not the Scrum Master nor the product owner. So the product owner cannot focus on that. Finally, explaining the why behind the selected backlog items. Yes, this looks more like it because the backlog items, they are the single source of work in a Scrum team. So we have list of what to be done, list of what to be done, list of what to be done. This is the backlog item, and it is the product owner's responsibility to organize and prioritize these product backlog items, that which one should we work on first, and it does that based on the importance and the value they will deliver and how the item meets the goal of what to be done. That is the product at the end of the day. So it is the product owner. Now, if the product owner tells the team that we are working on 1, 2, 3 and 4 and they want to discuss about this, he needs to tell them why he wants the team to work on this now. The reason must align with them achieving the overall goal of the sprint or the products that they are working on. It has to be delivering value to the customer. So he wants to tell them, this is why I want us to work on 1, 3, 5, and 6, because based on my interaction with the user, based on my interaction with other stakeholders, these are the features, these are the items that will deliver the most value at this point in time. Explaining the why behind the selected backlog item is the answer. Yes, as we can see, explaining the why behind the selected backlog items is correct because the product owner clarifies the purpose and the value of the work to help the team deliver efficiently. We got that right.